Hi, my name's Tom. I'm in the shower of a friend who has some cracks in the corner of her shower because we have two tile walls that are meeting and we have the grout. The hard brittle grout is cracked all the way down. Whenever you have two surfaces that are meeting at an angle, usually hard surfaces are meeting at an angle, that's a flex point. It's a point where things are going to move and shift. This wall may shift, this wall may shift, the building may move a little bit. Anytime when you have surfaces hitting, you're going to have a flex point, and a flex point should have something flexible in there, not something hard and brittle like grout. So the grout's here right now. It's there, it's cracked, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to clean out some of the grout. I can't get it all out of there. And then we're going to go ahead and cover it with something flexible, and that flexible thing is going to be some white silicone. So first things first, let's go ahead and remove the grout. I'm going to use this. This is a little grout removal tool. It's triangular. It basically is just a metal tool with certain ends here. There's a sharp corner, there's a less sharp corner, and kind of a rounded corner. Yeah, you can see that in the video. There you go. It looks like a little pizza, but one corner is sharper than the others. And this is a corner remover tool. There are other, you can get grout saws that are kind of flat. This would work here as well because you can get to it. I'm going to go ahead and kind of just go up and down. What you're going to do is you're going to just kind of remove some of that grout. And I'm going to pick I'll pick the medium corner for now. And all I'm going to do is kind of put in there and kind of pull it down. And you can see, maybe I'll use a sharper one. I'm actually removing some of the grout out of here. I'm going to get that stuff out of there. All right, and here's what all I'm doing is, this is the grout where it's cracked, and I'm going to use my point, and I'm going to remove it. You can see it falling out. It just comes right out of there. I'm removing a little more grout than I really want to, but that's okay. We're going to fill all of this in with white silicone. And you do want to go ahead and try to get all of it off the sides as well. There's a little bit of extra there. We can go ahead and kind of rough that off. We want to kind of clean this up a little bit because that corner there is where everything's cracking because it's all just hard and brittle in the middle. So what we're going to do is take it all out and we'll put that flexible silicone in there. Okay, now most of the grout is removed. As you can see, there's like a gap all the way down the tile wall. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up a little bit more. I'm going to use a damp paper towel just to kind of get any more dust there. I'm going to let it dry, and then I'm going to apply some silicone in that corner. All right, so now I've gone ahead and I've cleaned out all of the grout in the corners, and I took a wet paper towel, I cleaned it up, so it's nice and clean and dry. You notice I'm wearing a rubber glove. You can do this barehanded, but I like to use gloves just for easy cleanup. And then I'm actually going to use a tube of silicone, a white silicone caulk for the corners. Now I'm using white. You can use clear. You can use whatever color you want to match yours. I'm using white. A lot of people will go ahead and use the great big tubes with the caulk guns. That's great, but I just have this corner and that corner, two small jobs, so I'm using just one tube. And what you do is you take this tube of silicone caulk, you cut the corner, and I already have, I've been playing around a little bit, see there, cut out about a 45-degree angle or so, and then what I can do with this is, here's what I'm going to show you how to apply this. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to literally just put this in the corner, and I can use my hand to squeeze this out. And by squeezing this harder or less, I can go ahead and get more or less caulk coming out. I have a little more control this way. So I'm just going to squeeze a little bit. Let's get it going. There we go. And I'm going to move down, and I do not have to move real fast. I don't have to be real neat. It should be somewhat even, but that's about the extent of it. And you'll see I'm going to keep going, 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 going. I'm going to get this one tile here. You'll see. Let me aim in the corner a little more. Oops. If I miss a spot, that's okay. If I miss a spot, I just kind of go back up and just squeeze a little more. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. That's pretty good. Okay, now this is really messy right now, but I'm going to use my finger and watch. I'm going to click it in the corner. I'm just press in the corner and pull down, and it's nice and clean and even, and you'll see I missed a spot there. Okay, no problem. I have almost nothing, a little dot there. I might be able to just push that in the corner. I'll put a little dot right there, and I'll just use it again, and I'll clean it up just like that. Now what I might do is I might use a little paper towel and clean a little bit off, or use a second and just kind of get the edges again. Just like that. You don't need any kind of fancy tools. You just need your fingers and a glove. And here we are 24 hours later. It is nice and dry. It's a little bit tacky, but that's okay. But now the corners are sealed and this entire shower can now be used. You want to give it a little bit of time just to kind of dry to make it waterproof. It's waterproof now. Water just beads right off it. There you go. That's all there is to it. Take the grout out.
clean it up, put new silicone in, and your corners are going to be nice and waterproof for years to come. Eventually, this stuff will get mildewy and it will start getting black. All you do is you use a little caulk remover tool, remove it, and go ahead and re-caulk. But again, that should take a couple of years before that actually happens. It's a really, really simple job. It's kind of a maintenance thing, but it looks great, waterproof now. Just don't put mortar in the corners. Keep it the caulk, keep it something flexible.